The $1 Million Funnel, deep breakdown of real-life high-earning affiliate funnels. Affiliate marketing funnels are strategic paths that turn cold prospects into paying customers, often generating seven-figure revenues when executed well. In this deep dive, we analyze real-life high-earning affiliate funnels, how they're constructed step by step, the ad creatives and traffic strategies they use, and the follow-up tactics that maximize conversions. We'll pull back the curtain on revenue streams, conversion hacks, and optimization tactics, providing actionable insights you can apply. Each case study is unique in niche and approach, but all exemplify how strategic funnel design and relentless optimization can produce $1 million results. Introduction. What makes an affiliate funnel a $1 million success? An affiliate funnel is the series of stages or pages that a prospect goes through, from first encountering an offer via an ad or content to ultimately making a purchase. High-earning funnels don't happen by accident. They're engineered to guide users through micro-commitments, clicking, opting in, watching a video, etc., toward conversion. These funnels typically include a compelling entry point, targeted ad or content that speaks to a specific hungry market, a landing page or pre-sale page that builds trust and often captures leads with a free offer, a sales page or video sales letter, VSL, presenting the core product, follow-up strategies like email sequences or retargeting to close hesitant buyers, and upsell. Data-driven optimization at every step to continually improve results. Below, we explore 3 powerful affiliate funnels in dating, fitness, and personal finance, each generating 7 figures or more. Case study 1, online dating funnel, endless options. Overview. Promoted via Facebook ads, this program targeted young men frustrated with dating apps. Its funnel turned cold clicks into 7-figure sales using curiosity, storytelling, and psychological triggers. Traffic and ad creative, Facebook ads teased the best opening message ever discovered, a curiosity-driven hook that addressed pain points, no replies on apps, and promised a magical solution. Landing page, opt-in. Prospects exchanged an email for access to a training or report. Copy emphasized fast results, done-for-you templates, and ease of use. VSL sales page. A long-form video told a powerful story, the founder's struggles, heartbreak, and ultimate transformation. It introduced a unique mechanism, signal-to-noise ratio, as the secret sauce. Emotional storytelling combined with proof and testimonials built trust, while urgency and bonuses pushed action. Order and upsells. Customers purchased the program, likely in the $47 to $97 range, with possible upsells. Advanced scripts, coaching. Follow-up emails, a 10-part sequence nurtured leads, handled objections, shared tips, and drove hesitant buyers back to the offer. Retargeting ads reinforced the message. Key tactics, a precise message market fit men struggling with apps. Magic bullet framing, fast, easy, done for you. Emotional storytelling, pain, frustration, hope. Objection handling baked into the VSL. Relentless optimization and testing. Result, a classic direct response funnel. Endless options proved how empathy, storytelling, and data-driven refinement can turn cold traffic into millions. Case study 2, fitness quiz funnel. V-Shred's body type quiz. Overview. V-Shred scaled from startup to a 9-figure brand using a quiz funnel that personalized the sales journey. Though V-Shred sells its own products, affiliates have since copied this model in health and other niches. Traffic via paid ads, heavy ad spend across YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Ads leaned on curiosity, try this instead of running, and address frustrations, cardio not working. The call to action was low friction. Take our free body type quiz. Quiz landing page, 5 simple questions, segmented prospects, age, gender goals. Quick and engaging, the quiz lowered resistance while tailoring the funnel experience. Personalized VSL, based on quiz answers, users saw a dynamic video explaining why they struggled and presenting a custom plan. Personalization created instant trust. The video used Vince Sant's backstory, social proof, transformations, and authority to drive conversion. Checkout and upsells. After buying a $47 to $67 program, customers were upsold supplements, coaching, or memberships. These recurring offers multiplied revenue. Follow-up and retargeting non-buyers received segmented emails, your custom plan is waiting, and saw retargeting ads showcasing success stories and urgency. Key tactics of personalization at scale, quiz-based segmentation, clear problem definition before selling. Curiosity-driven ads and easy micro-commitments, heavy authority and social proof, testimonials, client photos. Continuous testing of creatives, copy, and funnel flow. Result, by making each customer feel uniquely understood, V-Shred's funnel scaled to 9-figure revenue. Affiliates can adopt similar personalization strategies in any niche. Case study 3, personal finance blogging funnel, making sense of sense. Overview. Michelle Schroeder Gardner built a 7-figure affiliate business with a blog-based funnel combining free content, email nurturing, and strategic affiliate recommendations. Traffic via content, blog posts, read magnets drew hundreds of thousands monthly through SEO and Pinterest. Monthly income reports built transparency and authority, attracting trust and interest. Lead capture. Opt-in forms offered free email courses, cheat sheets, and newsletters. Segmented offers, money tips, blogging tips, funneled readers into relevant sequences. Email nurture sequences, free courses, e.g. how to start a blog. Provided value while embedding affiliate recommendations like hosting providers. Other sequences funneled subscribers toward her premium course. Core monetization, affiliate commissions, hosting, finance tools, travel products, plus her own $197 course, Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing, ongoing engagement. Blog content plus email newsletters kept subscribers engaged long-term, increasing lifetime value. Key tactics of treating content as a funnel, not just information. Multiple entry points and segmentation. Transparency and trust through personal stories and income reports. Simplified funnel design, content to opt in, to nurture to offer. Relentless focus on a few high-value offers rather than dilution. Result, with trust and authenticity, Michelle built a 7-figure business without paid ads, proving that value-first, content-driven funnels can rival direct response models. Conclusion, key takeaways for building your own 7-figure funnel. Know your audience intimately. Success starts with a clear, specific target market and deep understanding of their pain points. Craft an irresistible hook and offer. Bold promises, unique mechanisms, or personalized solutions break through noise. Use the AIDA plus follow-up model: attention, interest, desire, action, then follow up persistently through email and retargeting. Build trust at every step. Storytelling, credentials, transparency, and proof are conversion multipliers. Leverage psychological triggers. Curiosity, FOMO, urgency, reciprocity, and social proof should be baked into every stage. Master follow-up and back-end monetization. Email sequences, upsells, and cross-sells increase customer lifetime value. Relentlessly test and optimize funnels evolve through continuous data-driven tweaks. Even small improvements compound to big results. Final thought, building $1 million funnel is less about luck and more about relentless strategy, empathy, and optimization. Start with your audience's needs, craft a journey that feels personal and valuable, and fine-tune continuously. Revenue follows when trust, psychology, and funnel design align.